Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can find winning products on TikTok. And to find these winning products, we're going to be using this website called PP Ads. Now I've actually partnered up with PP Ads, so if you click my link in the description, you'll be able to actually get a 3-day trial for just $1. And you can also enter in my code TUTS with James, and when you click apply coupon, as you can see, you will save yourself 20%. So in order to actually find winning products on TikTok, we're going to be using two tools. The first one is the TikTok ad search, and the second one is the product search. So using the first method, you'll want to use the TikTok ad search. So what you can do is just scroll through these and try find some adverts that are actually currently doing well. And that's because if we find a product that's performing well, that typically means that the advert is working and they're selling products, which means we can then get that product that they're selling, put it onto our own store and try to replicate their success. If you're dropshipping as well, we can also choose dropshipping up here, and it will show us only the dropshipping adverts, which will save us time because we won't be looking at stuff that we're not really interested in. Next up, there's the product search, and we can use this to find products that are currently doing well. And it gives us useful information such as when the first ad date was and when the last ad date was, as well as how many ads there have been. So that means if you see a product which has been advertising for a long time, that could potentially mean that they are winning products. So from there, we could find the product, add it to our store, and we can begin testing it. And they also have one more section on our website, which is when you go to advertiser, you can go down to winning product, and here we can see ad creatives that are currently already doing well. So this one here has 24,000 impressions and a 3.75% like rate. So this potentially could be a winning product, and we can test it from there. But I recommend you try this website out for yourself, play around with all the filters and try find a strategy that works for you to find a winning product. So as I've mentioned, if you go to the top of the description, you will see a link which will take you to this website, and you'll also see my own promo code that you can put in to save yourself 20% off your order. Other than that, this has been my video showing you how to find winning products on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.